The other morning I woke up and I went through my morning ritual and everything, and I started watching some YouTube videos while I work, and I was watching my buddy's Arlin Moore's channel, and he said something really profound. A super awesome dude. You should check him out if you like vlogs. You're gonna want to watch this guy. His channel is growing so crazy fast. All his social media is. He's just doing really well. Super awesome, nice guy. I met him in person. He said, double down on what works. And I'm gonna double down on what Arlin said there, because that's a super awesome thing to do. So that's what I'm doing now, and that's what I did for the past couple days. I've just been kind of playing with that idea. I changed my studio here, or my bedroom, into a studio. I can show you. So I can just kind of kick off videos and really take this seriously. And with all this YouTube thing, I'm going to double down on the best videos, what you guys respond to the most. Not totally sure which ones they are. There's going to be some minimalism, of course. It's going to be a lot more series types videos. I have a new watch series video coming. I'm super pumped about that. In fact, I just finished the intro. Check it out. Which I'm super happy about. It's awesome. So I can't wait to do that. That's going to be coming really, really soon, by next month. Yeah, I'm just going to keep making better videos. I'll probably lay off on a lot of the personal growth videos, although those are really easy to do. I just think that they're overwhelming the channel right now, and they're not working as well as other things. So back to Arlin. Check out his video. Till next time. Over.